Hawaiian shirt.
I thought you taking off the shirt there.
Yeah. Got flex. It's a flex show real quick. When you're ready to turn it on, just hit that button.
I'm ready to turn it on.
Which side are you going to?
All right, how are we doing this here?
However you want to do it.
Is this edible?
Next morning when I'm looking
We
at
got
the
people on.
that
Everyone's taking pictures. Go that side.
Oh man, I was just gonna stick it up on YouTube later.
On YouTube? Are you videoing this?
Yeah, that's where I put all the videos from YouTube on. Oh yeah, you should subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, me the broom gets neck cut. By a white broom.
Oh man, you had to like go and do it from the other side.
All right. What do you want to
We're going to do exactly the same when we did the wedding. I'm not kidding, that's what I did.
There's like rubber on top.
Get your hand down. We couldn't get, they gave us a butter knife. Alright. Bend down a little bit still.
Looking. As they cut all through the cake.
Okay.
All right.
Nancy, wait.
Ready?
Okay, gotcha.
All right. I think we're in the ball.
Feeding time. Feeding time. And now you have to hold it up to your mouth while we get all the pictures taken. I'll get out of the way here as soon as.
Wow. That's a piece of cake.
Alright, baby. Ready? Well, I think one layer's chocolate and one's something else.
Yes, one layer's chocolate, one layer's almond.
Almond. Okay.
Wait, I gotta figure out which he doesn't like almonds. Okay.
Whatever.
5, 4, 3.
Wait, I need more sauce.
Are we doing the same time or
More
what
sauce.
are
We missed it. You gotta
Blinking, where's the blinking, Phil?
What was it?
The charge is flashing. It's ready.
Okay.
Right here.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Turn it the other way.
Got it. Throw it at him.
Oh, yeah, you all processed.
Throwing it at him.